Let's say that 20 of you and your closest friends all get together, have a party, and you decide you're gonna create New Year's resolutions. Now, fast forward to the end of the year. How many of you do you think actually achieved your New Year's resolution? Drum roll, please. The answer is 1.6. 1.6 is all that will likely to achieve. That means 1 person and a half will achieve their New Year's resolution. Us humans are horrible at keeping ourselves accountable. So the question though is, how do you beat the odds? Well, the answer is in social connection. Stanford University did a study. They found that just by simply having a texting buddy about your goals will triple the chances that you're gonna achieve that goal. But having this social buddy or accountability partner isn't just about achieving goals. It actually has other benefits as well. Because when we have a social connection with someone else that we can check in with on a regular basis, the research also shows that it can decrease our stress levels, increase that dopamine, aka happiness in us, and makes us healthier. There is nothing but added benefits by having at least one person that you're connected with and sharing this kind of information with on a regular basis. So here's my challenge to you. Find one person in your phone book right now, text them and ask them, would they be interested in being your accountability partner? Not just to get your goals done, but also someone that you can check in with on a regular basis. No one should try to do this thing called life alone. It is really hard. Find yourself a partner, partner up with that person, and watch as you and that person both continue to level up in life. My name is Tom. I'm here to help you succeed and to engage your people on your dance floor. I'll see you in the next video.